Hi guys, so this is going to be a sneezing video. It was requested I think a month or two ago for me to like sneeze on a disc or something. So this is my disc that I'm going to sneeze on. I've never sneezed on this disc. I've sneezed on a disc and I've seen people sneeze on discs, but it's pretty gross. But it was requested and I'm actually going to force myself to sneeze because there's this terrible sneeze there, and I thought, well, I should get the video camera ready and just in case I need to sneeze. So I started recording it and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do a video. So, and I'm going to force it out because I like really need to sneeze. So that's my tissue, my disc. Nope. My eyes are like tearing. Oh, that wasn't much. Maybe all the fluid, the saliva came out of my eye. That's gross, but my eyes like tearing. Ew, that's pretty gross. It's like all on there. Yeah. So thanks for the request. Please subscribe. That's really gross. I gotta clean that off, and I'm not using this disc again. Right. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you guys later. Bye.